side of the dais. From the morning I am looking into them. Good afternoon, sir. Well, here on behalf of OTTET, which is running two institutes, IISIT and BIMIT, I am here to share a few words regarding the ICT initiatives which has been started by OTTET in the year 2005. And we are continuing, and in the exhibition you might have seen OTTET along with Biocon has taken health initiatives in ICT platform, and here I am to tell about the ICT initiatives taken by OTTET in the education field. The first one, unemployment, as mentioned by Professor S.S. Mantha, as underemployment, unemployability, employable, so many keywords we have heard of. But the major keyword which is being given by Gopal Naik sir of IIIT, the expectation of the industry, whether our students are really meeting it. The problem is, perhaps the answer is no. Even though those students who are passing out from our institutions, going to Bangalore, Hyderabad, taking a one-year training, after that they are getting placed in good companies. This is a truth which we have to accept. And here I would like to tell that the second one, the teaching learning methodology, basically this morning also we have a discussion on that regarding classroom teaching. Basically on that only we are relying upon. But the thing is, the practical exposure is not given to the students, as told by Sunil Sadangi sir, that repetition and more of a theory and repetition of laboratory, that is being done in the classes. But actually people don't get a practical approach. And here I would like to finding of Stanford University in 1980s, when USA was growing both in economic as well as enterprise. They thought of that why Japanese are foregoing or aheading in all the business and economic fields, whereas USA, although they are having more number of business schools and management institutions, they are not growing. And then a conclusion was given by Stanford University that 12% of the output of effective management, that is leadership, is coming from classroom teaching, whereas 88% is on practical classes or practical training or practical exposure, which is not given to our students. So here is a suggestion, because this particular session with where we say the keyword innovative, therefore I came here with a thought process which was designed by OTTET and Biocon. I am directly going to that slide because 10 minutes is the time and everybody is crossing that 10 minutes limit. I will be below that 10 minutes. So I am directly going to that slide. Here is the plan which is made of planning for the practical exposure of students. Of all the students, those who are enrolled, in each semester, at least for some stipulated period of time, they will be attending the classes, which will be covered under 40 classes as per our BPUT syllabus or Utkal University syllabus, whatever may be. And after that, they will be going to a workplace chosen by the college, an industry. Preferably for us, it is we have chosen health sector because there is a huge demand of management and IT professionals in the health sector, and there they will be going for at least 1 month training in that area in the workplace. And there comes the direct during the training period, doubt clearing sessions to be conducted at weekends through video conferencing or any digital media, as said by Sanjeev Raut sir regarding webinars or digital classes. Here also the students will be working there in the industries. During that period they will be having a weekend contact classes with the faculty members who will be staying in the parent institutions. The objective is they will be getting a practical exposure during that period. Basically what we do now, that MBA students go for project evaluation for 1 month during the end of the year, and MCA students or other engineering students go for a 6-month project during the last year. But here basically it is planned that every semester they will be going for a 1 month or at least 1 month training, for which a course has been designed and this has been put forth in front of Utkal University VC and Government of Orissa, and it is awaiting for implementation. If it is done, as rightly said by Usha Padi Madam, that one thought cannot change the world. If everybody will come together, the thought process will come together, then only the action can be taken. So this is the case where we need that everybody should come together, and that 2 months or 3 months rigorous classes, and after that they will be going for all the training at the practical field or workplace where they will learn the work culture. As rightly said in the previous session, our students does not have communicative problem, or they cannot communicate properly. So if they go to the workplace, work over there, meet people, talk with them, share their feelings, understand the work culture, come back to the institute, then again join the organization, there will be better performance than what they are doing right now.